Hey guys, what's up? Adi here. Welcome back. So in the previous video we started writing this widget. We did the construct function, form function, and update function to handle those saving processes. So right now we have to write the widget function. But after I finished the video last time, I had a look in the admin area and it was broken. Now I did make a small mistake here, so the correct syntax for this is a TTR, not ATR. Alright, refresh, and now it's back in. So as you can see, our widget is ready to be used. We have the custom widget, we have the description, and now if we drag it, it's going to display our fields with the default values that we set right here in the defaults array. So if we change this, for instance, if I change the title to this, I forgot to write apparently, sorry. I'll click save and I'll click save and nothing happens. Okay, so these have disappeared for some reason. So the only one to blame here is the update function. So let's see, instance, new instance, old instance. Okay, so the arguments are correct. And then we get the old instance values, and then instance title, we get strip tags, new instance title. All right, and the add instance add img equals new instance add img and add link. And then we return the instance. So this is correct. This is correct, but it's not doing anything. So maybe this is not showing properly in the admin. All right, let's actually go ahead and write the widget function so we can display the widget on the actual page. Okay, so right now if we refresh, we have nothing in the sidebar. And that's to be expected because the widget is not set to display anything. So let's begin with this extract. I'll use this extract args, and this basically makes all the values in the args array available for us to use. Okay, so next we'll get the title and we'll prepare it for display. So we'll say title equals apply filters. Okay, and this gets two arguments, widget title and instance title. Now apply filters is pretty similar in function to add filter. Basically it will take the new title and apply it to the widget title. So let's see, title, and then we'll get the actual add. So add img equals instance add img. Same goes for the add link. All right, so now we got to start writing our widget. And let's open up this post HTML so we can get a closer look at our widget. All right, so let's see, add 125, add 260. So we need to start with the sidebar widget markup. We'll do that by saying echo before widget. All right, now before widget is defined. Where is it? The sidebar right here. Yeah, before widget, after widget, before title, after title. We'll use all of these. Okay, so we're saying echo before widget. Then if we have a title, so if title, we're gonna echo the before title, and then the actual title, and then the after title. Okay, so in our case, it's H4, and then we're closing that H4. All right, and after that, let's have a look. We're doing a UL, so let's copy that. All right. Oops. Let's go ahead and echo this. Okay, and then we'll say if we have an add image, then we're gonna echo the following code. Okay, and let's close the if here. Okay, and if, and then we'll do an echo UL. Okay, so we'll do list item, figure class add block, and then href. Inside here, we'll do PHP echo add link, and then the image source will be echo add image. Okay, and the alt is going to be add 260. Okay, close the figure, close the list item, and then all we have to do is close our widget. So I'm going to say echo after widget. Okay, let's have a look. Refresh, and of course nothing is showing. Let's see. So it did display the beginning and end of our widget. It did display the UL, yeah, but since we don't have an add image, it didn't display the rest. So obviously the values are not saving properly in the database. And that is not good. And then return instance. All right, guys, I'm gonna pause this for 1 minute until I can figure this out. It's no point in just keeping you watching while I struggle here. So I'll be right back, hopefully with a solution. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I finally got this figured out. It turns out name equals this get field name, not ID. My mistake from my a small mistake from my part. So let's grab this and replace it. All right, and let's have a look. Okay, title add, save it, and now it sticks. All right, so delete it, bring it up again, save it, and now our ad shows up properly. All right, well, whew, that was quite an adventure. That's it actually for it. Let's do some more testing to make sure everything works as it should. All right. So the ad, and let's do like 260 by 120 image. Oops, sorry. It's like this. And there it is. All right, so that was the rest of the widget video. All right, well, that was it, guys, for today's video. I hope you liked it. Sorry about the little glitch that we had, but I'm glad everything worked out in the end. So yeah, that's how you create a widget. Let's do a little recap. So you extend the original WP widget class, you name it, and right after that you can go ahead and register it, just so you won't forget. And then you need to make the 4 functions. Construct to initialize the widget. You give it an ID, you give it a name, and you give it a description. Then you have the form, which outputs the widget in the back end right here. And in this one, you set some defaults. Then you merge them with the original, with the already existing values from the database, if there are any. And then you output the title, the ad image, all the fields that you need. So when you output the fields, make sure you use this and then get field ID and get field name for your necessary field. And that's it for this function. The next one, update, will handle the saving of the widget. So you put all the old values in this variable, and then you assign the new ones, and finally you return the new values. And finally you have the widget function, which displays the widget on the page. It takes 2 arguments, args and instance. Args, the arguments for it, and the instance refers to the values from the database. And if you don't know what args stand for, well, it's this stuff: before widget, after title, and before title. Okay, so you grab the title and you show it, you grab the image and you grab the link. Echo the widget constructing parts, echo the title if you have it, and then echo the original widget. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. We'll be making some shortcodes and a small plugin for those. So bye bye.